Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to open Photoshop files, so PSD files in DaVinci Resolve. So you'll need to be using DaVinci Resolve version 20 or newer, and the process is super simple. Just go and find a PSD file on your computer. It can be from any program, but it's generally from Photoshop. Then just grab it, drag it onto your timeline. I'm just going to move it straight to the beginning. So this is my PSD file. So in order to use this with layers and everything else that's actually stored in the PSD file, just right click on it, go to this option right here, split PSD layers in place. As soon as you do that, it will split the entire Photoshop file into all the different layers that are included in it, as you can see here, which you can then select and edit and move around however you like. So that's the base layer. You can drag them on top just to see what each one does. So you can see they are actually individual layers. And then as always, as in DaVinci Resolve, you can just go through and transform them, do some color adjustments, whatever kind of adjustment you want. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up this guide. It's a nice quick one, straight to the point. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers everyone.